selecting multiple items, you can hold down Ctrl and click on the items. But by using Select Box in the proper way, you can also select the items needed. To start, press your arrow in the selection menu and press Selection Box. If you drag the box from left to right, only the components that are fully within the box are selected. If you drag from right to left, components partly within the box is selected. In sketches and drawings, you can use the lasso selection similarly. Drag the lasso clockwise to select all sketch entries fully within the lasso, and the counterclockwise for selection partially within the lasso. Bonus tip from the train. Sometimes when selecting in an assembly, it may be hard to find a blank space to start. If you start the selection box on top of geometry, you will just try to move it. To counter this, go to the selection menu and press Select over Geometry. This will allow you to start the selection on your geometry.